Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change header margin from a specific page in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to change header margin from a specific page. Go to the specific page and go to the layout menu, then click breaks drop down menu and choose next page. Then double click on the header text. Then go to the design menu and click link to previous. Then decrease the header margin size. Then click close header and footer. Now we can see here we change the header margin from a specific page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.